Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. I hope you are doing well. So there was a request to do a pencil pouch clean out, and I do these once in a while, and this is the current status of my pencil pouch, and I have been actually using this in my personal backpack, and I've been carrying personal items like feminine items, and so I took that out, and so I think I'm going to transfer into here and share with you what I'm going to put in my new pencil pouch for my desktop. This usually sits right on top of my desk, and I usually leave it open like this so that I can grab things in and out. I just have a couple of clips here to keep my pages open when I'm journaling, and a pin from Peppercorn Arts when she visited the UK. But yes, so let's get right into it. So this thing actually fell out. I'm actually low on glue. And so I'm currently using this. I'm almost finished, and I purchased some extras online, but yeah, I've been enjoying the liquid glue. I usually prefer the dot liner or just a regular glue stick, but I'm running low, so and I wanted to finish this off, so I think I'm going to finish this off, and then I'm going to refill either one of these two. So right now, because I'm finished of these two, I'm not going to stick them back into the pencil pouch. Sorry, I just realized I didn't explain. This is the Canvet pouch that was part of the June Stationery Selection Box. I think there's several, we still have some in stock. And I really like their concept of, they have an environmentally friendly way to create these canvas pouches, and they're really conscious about that. And so I really do appreciate that. But inside I just have the pin that I want to use for the front, and then a pencil and an eraser inside there, you can see. Let's take out this stuff first, and then we will transfer it into the pouch. So I think for now I'll stick to the aqua liquid glue and see if that will fit. So I'm just going to leave that off to the side. I just have some, I think I just want to finish off these washi tapes, and that's why I kind of stuck them in there. Let me actually stick them into my journal so that I don't forget. I will just stick it into my journal here, and I will probably paste them somewhere in a random spot. Then this one is actually, I can most likely stick this one also into the journal instead of having it in here, because I don't really use the Kita too much in terms of like my planners. It's mainly more for like my journal spreads. So I think I will leave this in here because I think there's enough space that I can include this there. That's perfect. Alright, so the clips here, I usually like one or two. I usually keep one or two clips, so I think I will keep it at that. So the I was making some, I was sewing some journal covers, and I have these scraps, and I was watching Elisa Burke's, I was participating in her journal class, and she had this episode, or she had a class where she was talking about using the scraps to make closures for your petite journal. And what I mean by petite journal is I've been working not full on, it's just once in a while I'll be working in this more creative style of journaling, and eventually I want to have a closure, and so I've been keeping these fabrics for that reason. So they don't need to be in my pencil pouch. I'll just keep them off to the side together with my petite journals. And then the water brush, I am currently using the Pentel version, And yeah, I use this often, so I will keep that there. Some washi tapes that I could probably put back in the washi tape container. This is, yeah, I think that's it for the washi tapes, you can see. So these are the ones that I have with me. But yeah, like I said, I will most likely put these back into the washi container. Maybe I will switch them out. I usually like to swatch them onto cards so that I have more of a variety in a less amount of space. So I will put these ones back into the washi container. And what I mean by roll them out, let me quickly show you. So what I mean by roll them out, I'll roll out the washi tapes onto, like, it could be a playing card, or it could be a used, what's it called, drink card. I have some of these ones here off to the side. Yeah, I like to roll them out onto these cards so that they're more, instead of carrying like the actual roll in my pencil pouch, I'll have them stuck into these pockets and they're easy to access, and there will be more of a variety that I can choose from. So these ones will go back. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's another glue stick. Oh my goodness, is this one? Oh, this one is full. Okay, so I'm going to use this. Okay, so I'm going to use that one. That one is still full. I'm pretty sure this one is finished. And then I have another brush, and this one is, I think, it says made in Japan. Maybe it's, oh yeah, this one is kuretake. I like kuretake as well, but I don't believe I need two brushes. I think I usually keep an extra one in here because my daughter likes to play along with me whenever I journal. But lately she's been using pencil crayons and not watercolor, so maybe that's why I didn't realize I had an extra one. So this will go back into storage. I have these Kokuyo pasta markers. They're called markers, but they're more like crayons in a way, and I really like using these in my Hobonichi cousin for background. Let me show you an example. So for an example here, I used, I believe, the lime, this color here. I like to add color to the pages, and I use this one often. And so maybe I will switch it up and I'll grab like a different color. Maybe I'll stick to these two, and I'll switch things up a bit instead of me always using the same color. Having these supplies in the pencil pouch will allow me to use or grab these more. So I'll stick to those two colors. Alright, so moving forward, I have a highlighter, which I don't really use for journaling. It's more for planning. I don't believe I will use this in my pencil pouch for my desktop. The stapler I use often. This is the Midori Stapler. It's so compact, and I use this to attach items, especially in my junk journal. I really like it because it closes away nicely. It's very slim. It was part of the stationery selection box, one of the stationery selection boxes. But anyways, you just kind of push that down to activate it in a way, and then this becomes the actual stapler. And then once you need to close it up, you just push the notch up again, and then it closes nice and flat and slim. So I will use this for sure in my pencil pouch, so I'll leave that here. I'm not sure why I have the ink cartridges in this pouch, so I'm gonna put these back in storage, or put them back yeah, in the fountain pen area. And I have a bunch of these, more of these. I really need to use these up. It looks like I've been putting them in my pencil pouch, reminding me to use them, because I want to finish these off so that I can roll some new ones. So let's put them back in my journal again as a reminder to use those washi tapes. And then I still have quite a bit left here, so I'll leave this to the side. Some sticky notes I was using in my commonplace book for some headings and ideas, and I don't believe I'll be using it in my journals anytime soon, so I'm going to put them away again. Oh, I was looking for these scissors. I've been using this one a lot. I've been reaching for this one a lot, and but I just remember recently, oh, I haven't been using these scissors recently, and I was looking for them, and they're sitting right at the bottom. Yes, I'm happy to see that. And this one I was looking for as well. This is the Uniball Signo white gel pen, and I like to use this. I was looking for this one specifically because I wanted to work in like the petite art journal, and yeah, I was looking for this pen. I couldn't find it, so I decided to use the Posca markers here that you can see, like the white doodling. But yeah, I wanted to doodle a bit, and I was looking. I thought maybe it would be downstairs, but yeah, it's kind of dried up. Maybe I'll have to kind of restart it, eh? But anyways, so I'm gonna try and kind of revive that one. And then I think I put this in my pencil pouch in the previous pencil pouch clear out video, saying that I would clip it here, but it never came to fruition. I never actually clipped it. And then this one too, I wanted to clip it to this case here, but I never actually did. So then I'll have three little pins that I can clip onto this pencil case. Then I have a hairpin in there, and the Canvet Fusen, which I think I'll use for my planning, so I don't believe I'll be putting it in my pencil pouch for journaling here. So let's see, let me move this off to the side. Let's see if this will fit. These ones I can leave out, as I don't need for the inside. So these are the essentials. I do want to put a 01 marker for my Hobonichi doodles, and so these are the colors. Oh, this is I think a better representation of the pasta colors here, instead of the sticker here. It's totally different, eh? This is a better representation. Okay, so let's put that in here. There's a mechanical pencil and an eraser as well inside. And then I'll have my marker for doodling or journaling. I could probably fit a watercolor set in there. My water brush, scissors, the Uniball Signo in the white, some pasta markers, and then adhesive. Oh, there's plenty space. There's plenty space. That makes me really happy. I hope I don't fill it up too much like before, where I get things lost on the bottom. Anyways, but there's plenty space. Like I said, I usually like to keep these open anyways, because I have it sitting on the desktop here, and then I just kind of grab what I need. Actually, let me take these off. I want to pin. So I think with the June boxes, there's a lot of the black. There's this white bird version, and then there's a black bird version, and there's a lot of the black bird version left, which is also very, very cute. So let me apply this on the cover here. I don't know if I should. Let's do it here. But yes, I appreciate this brand. I hope to be able to visit their actual factory one of these days. They're not located in Tokyo, but they are environmentally conscious, and they're aware of they're trying to create less waste when it comes to creating these canvas pouches. And yeah, so there's the bird, and then let's do this one. I don't know if I think this, I might save this for a different a different one. But I think this one will match the colors really nicely. This is from Lin Chaning, and I purchased this from, I think it was from Cute Things from Japan. I don't know if she has them in stock anymore, but I believe it was from Cute Things from Japan. Ayako, the shop owner, carries this. Oh, actually, I'm going to remove this sticker. She carries this artist's, some of the stock from this artist. So I think I want to do that, and I'm going to put this in my Hoponichi journal, and I want to journal about it. So let's quickly open up a page here and loosely stick that here. All right, so let's stick this pin. Oh, that's beautiful. That is so pretty. Wow. See the gold foiling there? It's a very substantial pin. It's a very big size. Okay, so let's stick this onto the pouch. I'm not happy with the area of where I am putting. I'm just going to shift it a tad bit up higher. So there it is, the pouch, my desktop pouch or my pencil pouch, and just have the essentials in here once again. Some adhesive and pencil, pen, a couple of markers and things. I could probably add this one because I use this very often. The Russian Petite. I grab this quite often, so there's plenty of space still left. Like I said, I want to finish using this one up, and so once this is gone, I'll have a lot more space. But at the same time, I don't want to fill it up too much because then I'll lose things in the bottom. But yeah, you can still close it here. Oh, that's nice. Hopefully you can see that, and then I'll have these clips, but I will leave it open because I know I will I'll grab my items while it's on the desk, so I'll have it open like this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to leave a comment down below. What are your essential items in your pencil pouch? Do you use glue stick? Do you like more of the liquid glue, or are you like a tape runner person? I think my first priority is tape runner, and then I like the glue stick, and then my last resort is the liquid glue. But this is actually quite nice. It dries nice and flat, and it doesn't cause too much wrinkling, and it also says it's acid free, and it's neat because it has like a, I rarely use this side. It's like a push brush side. You can see there. And then I usually use the other side, the tip. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.